also very nice today on the 7th of July 2023. I like these blue doors here.
Same here.
It's on Kartanontie 15 staircase B. And we can get to the staircase A later here. This is here in Järvenpää, here in Finland. It was built in 1999. It's the beginning of 1999. It says 98 on the glass. Turning 25 years old next year, 2024. It says two rights. 069703. It's going to be set in this year, 2023. Could have been with normal VR, because that's the earliest Ecorisk type.
Yeah.
It has these 8 sensors, 630 grams. Seven signal indicator.
Yeah. Inspected by Kivais, but maintained by Schindler.
Yeah. Yeah, it has a chime also.
Yeah.
We tried it downstairs already.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching. The cab could have been blue also.
Yeah. That's